When it comes to reliability, few automakers have a track record as strong as Honda. But here's a question for you. What's the most reliable car you've ever owned? From practical sedans to sporty coupes and rugged SUVs, Hondas are built to last. Many owners report 200,000, even 300,000 miles with minimal repairs, and some keep their cars on the road for decades. That's why so many Hondas remain popular choices, even after warranty coverage has long expired. Today, we're counting down the top 10 most reliable Hondas of all time, including resale values, in both US and Canadian dollars. So you'll know exactly which models are worth owning if you're shopping for a dependable ride that will go the distance. Number 10. Honda Fit, 2007 to 2014. The Honda Fit is proof that big things come in small packages. With its clever magic seat system and surprisingly spacious cabin, this subcompact has been a favorite for city drivers and students. The Fit's small 4-cylinder engine is simple and durable, with most examples easily running past 200,000 miles. Fuel economy is excellent, maintenance costs are low, and parts are inexpensive. Expect to pay around $6,800 USD or $9,200 Canadian for a clean model. If you want practicality, fun driving, and Honda reliability in a small package, the Fit delivers. Quick question: would you take the Fit over a Civic as your daily driver, or do you prefer something bigger? Number 9. Honda CRV, 2012 to 2016. The Honda CRV is one of the best-selling SUVs in North America, and its reputation for reliability is a big reason why. The 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine is extremely dependable, and owners often see 250,000 miles or more without major issues. The CRV is also known for its roomy interior and low maintenance costs, making it a perfect family SUV. Average resale sits around $12,900 USD or $17,000 Canadian. For anyone looking for a reliable compact crossover, the CRV is a no-brainer. Number 8. Honda Odyssey, 2011 to 2017. Honda's minivan, the Odyssey, is beloved by families for its comfort, safety, and durability. Powered by a proven 3.5-liter V6, the Odyssey regularly surpasses 250,000 miles with proper care. It's spacious, loaded with family-friendly features, and built to handle years of daily use. The sliding doors and third-row seats make it highly practical, while maintenance costs are reasonable for its size. Resale values average around $11,400 USD, or $15,000 Canadian. For families who need space and long-term dependability, the Odyssey is a top pick. If you've owned an Odyssey, what's the highest mileage you've gotten out of it? Number 7. Honda Civic, 2006 to 2011. The Honda Civic is practically a symbol of reliability. This generation is especially bulletproof, with a reputation for running trouble-free for decades. Its 1.8-liter 4-cylinder is simple, efficient, and long-lasting. Civics routinely hit 250,000 miles with ease. Parts are affordable, fuel economy is great, and resale values remain strong thanks to high demand. Expect to pay around $7,800 USD or $10,500 Canadian. For students, commuters, or anyone who wants an inexpensive but dependable car, the Civic is still one of the best. Number 6. Honda Accord, 2008 to 2012. The Accord has long been Honda's flagship sedan, and this generation combines durability with comfort and strong performance. Buyers had the choice of a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder or a 3.5-liter V6, both of which are highly reliable. The Accord's interior is roomy and well built, and many owners report hitting 300,000 miles without major mechanical issues. Resale averages around $9,600 USD or $13,000 Canadian. If you want a mid-size sedan that balances long-term reliability with everyday comfort, the Accord is a top contender. Number 5. Honda Element, 2003 to 2011. One of Honda's quirkiest designs turned out to be one of its most durable. The Honda Element, with its boxy shape and rugged interior, was marketed to active lifestyle, and it lives up to the promise. The 2.4-liter four-cylinder is dependable and easy to maintain, while the simple, washable interior stands up to pets, gear, and years of use. Many Elements are still on the road with well over 250,000 miles. Resale values are strong, averaging $9,900 USD or $13,400 Canadian. If you can find one, the Element is a unique and reliable choice. Number 4. Honda Pilot, 2012 to 2016. The Honda Pilot is a 3-row SUV that shares much of its DNA with the Odyssey minivan, including the same reliable 3.5-liter V6. It's known for comfort, strong safety scores, and the ability to last 250,000 miles or more with routine care. The interior is practical, with plenty of space for families, and repair costs are lower than many rivals in the same class. Average resale sits around $13,800 USD, or $18,400 Canadian. For families who want SUV capability and long-term durability, the Pilot is a great post-warranty buy. Number 3. Honda Ridgeline, 2009 to 2014. The Ridgeline may not be a traditional pickup, but it's one of the most reliable trucks ever built. Sharing much of its platform with the Pilot, it uses the same 3.5-liter V6 that has proven to be virtually indestructible. The Ridgeline offers innovative features like a dual-action tailgate and in-bed trunk, while delivering smoother ride quality than most trucks. Resale averages about $12,200 USD or $16,300 Canadian. For buyers who want a truck that's comfortable, practical, and extremely dependable, the Ridgeline is a smart choice. Here's a question for you. Would you rather daily drive the Ridgeline or keep it as a weekend adventure truck? Number 2. Honda Prelude, 1997 to 2001. Honda may be known for practicality, but the Prelude proved it could make a sporty coupe that's also reliable. With its rev-happy 4-cylinder engines, sharp handling, and iconic styling, the Prelude became a favorite among enthusiasts. Many Preludes from the late 90s are still on the road today, thanks to their durable drivetrains and Honda's reputation for engineering quality. Average resale now sits around $8,700 USD, or $11,600 Canadian. For anyone who wants a fun, sporty car that can also rack up miles, the Prelude is a standout. Number 1. Honda Accord, 1990 to 1997. At the top of the list is the 5th generation Honda Accord, widely regarded as one of the most durable Hondas ever built. With its simple, reliable 4-cylinder engines and rock-solid manual and automatic transmissions, these Accords regularly surpass 300,000 miles. The build quality was outstanding for its time, and many are still on the road more than 25 years later. Average resale values hover around $5,400 USD, or $7,200 Canadian. Incredible considering their age. For a car that proved Honda's legendary reputation for reliability, the 90s Accord remains the gold standard. Honda has built a legacy on reliability, and these 10 models prove why. From small cars like the Fit and Civic, to family haulers like the Pilot and Odyssey, and even sporty icons like the Prelude, Hondas are engineered to go the distance. If you're shopping for a dependable used car, SUV, or truck that can last well beyond warranty, you'll never go wrong with one of these tried and true Hondas. But what do you think? Do you agree with this list, or did I miss one of your favorites? Drop your pick in the comments, and if you've made it this far, let me know. Which Honda would you buy today, and why?